Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard Seviyan. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need 100 grams of roasted vermicelli, 1 liter of full-fat milk, 4 tablespoons of custard powder, and about 100 grams of sugar. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, setting the foundation for a delicious dessert. Having everything at hand makes the next steps much simpler and more efficient. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard base. First, take 4 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it thoroughly with about half a cup of cold milk until there are no lumps. Then, bring 1 liter of full-fat milk to a gentle boil in a sturdy pan. Slowly pour the dissolved custard mixture into the hot milk, stirring continuously. Continue cooking on low heat for approximately 5 minutes until the custard begins to thicken to a pourable consistency. Now it's time to incorporate the vermicelli into our rich custard. Carefully add the 100 grams of roasted vermicelli to the simmering custard base. Stir in 100 grams of sugar, ensuring it fully dissolves and sweetens the mixture evenly. Continue to cook this delightful combination on low heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. The goal is for the vermicelli to become tender, absorbing the creamy custard, but still retaining a pleasant texture. Finally, let's complete our delicious custard Seviyan. Once the vermicelli is cooked and the mixture has thickened to your liking, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill the dessert for at least 2 hours. This enhances its flavor and texture. Before serving, you can garnish it with your favorite chopped nuts, such as almonds or pistachios or fresh fruits for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.